little bit stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. But I'm not no other, so why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love, our time is up. God knows we tried, this is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love, our time is up. God knows we tried, this is our last goodbye. Oh, wish I could keep you a little bit longer, could make us feel a little bit stronger. Oh, ooh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, and you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead compare myself to her. But I'm like no other, so why do I bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love, our time is up. God knows we tried, this is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love, our time is up. God knows we tried, this is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Guess the door to now. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. God knows we tried. Yeah. Our time is up. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh yeah, last goodbye. Ooh yeah. I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you, maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you, will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care?
Hey everybody, so it's the next day. Good day to you all. thank you for rocking with me and doing this little experiment with my pumpkin mask. I hope you really enjoy it. And if you like to make your own version of it, go right ahead. So I did some bantu knots last night. Let's take them out and see what they're doing, because I twisted my hair and then I did bantu knots. So we'll see how they turn out. But while we're doing that, let's talk about the experience of it all. One thing's for certain, what I noticed using the pumpkin and the blender, that worked really well. To start though, I did kind of warm, I won't say I boiled the pumpkin because I didn't boil it, but I did put it in hot water to make it easier for me to cut. It wasn't that big, so I didn't need like assistance from hubby to come in and kind of help me cut, you know, like cut it up. If it would have been bigger and thicker, like in as far as the skin goes, then I probably would have needed him to help me. But I ended up kind of like making the skin soft by putting it in the hot water and letting it soften for probably a couple hours before I even started the process. So then I noticed while it was blending though, I believe that if I would have had, like, it's not like it's a factory, like I'm getting a product like off of the factory line or manufacturer did it. So I tried to puree it down, but it just seemed to not get as finely chopped, I guess, if you will, with that particular blender. I would have wanted it a little bit more, you know, just kind of chopped down a little bit more, if you will, I guess, because it was gritty. If you notice, like when I showed the part, actually putting the product, calling it product, but putting the pumpkin on my hair, it could have been like a little bit more fine, you know, fine, like I would have wanted it a little bit more finely chopped, I guess, if you will. So and then I did have to rinse my hair more than once. Like I did shampoo it afterwards, which I would do, like even if it was any other deep conditioner, I would shampoo and condition it out really well, thoroughly. And I will also condition it a little bit, you know, as I'm rinsing it out, which is what I did for this. And then also I ended up just kind of going through it with the warm water again more than once. Like it was about 2 times, but I let it rinse more, you know, like a really long time. So, that was like kind of the challenge, but the highlight to me was how soft it was afterwards. Like my hair was super soft and still is very soft. Just in the smell, the aroma, the fragrance, oh my goodness, you guys, like that was like really a delight. And even through my headscarf while I was asleep through the night, I can still smell it, the pumpkin and the rose water. I didn't know how that combination would do well together or not, if it would, but it did. It was like really just, you know, delightfully pleasant. So I thought that was really nice about it. But overall, I really, you know, like using that. I wouldn't mind doing it again. It kind of puts me in the mind of when I do like my avocado mask. But you know, like avocado in and of itself is really smooth and creamy. But the pumpkin didn't get down to that. You know, I don't know if maybe next time I will, once I soften the shell in the skin, cut it away and then boil it. I think that's what I'll do next time to see if it'll get softer. But this is my first time doing it, so every time you know, when you're doing something new, you may just have to like continue to do it over and over until you like master it and make it your own. But it was a really fun project, just, you know, seeing if it would work. And one thing about pumpkin, is really good for your skin, and being that the scalp is skin, I figured, okay, so I will just, you know, do this for my hair and my scalp. And so I really liked it. Let me cut this clip. Hey guys, so sorry I had to run a little errand, take care of some family business. It's a little late, if you notice. Whole different scene, whole different setup, but I'm back. So I wanted to finish explaining. I did separate a little bit more and actually like fro it out. Let's get a little spin. Hopefully you guys can see that, and it picked up on camera. But I'm really loving rocking my pumpkin fro. Got my little tendrils right here, trying to mimic the little tendrils on a pumpkin, if you notice. So cute. So, but I know it will be a jump from earlier one clip to now to this clip, but what else I wanted to say about the pumpkin mask is that my hair is super soft, and it's still the fragrance with the pumpkin and the rose water, and my favorite hair conditioner, which is Volumizer. If you notice, I love a Volumizer Pro. It's just got me like with all the life. Now, one thing hubby said that he noticed that my hair seemed to be darker, but that is because it is shiny and it's full of sheen. I did not do like a rinse or anything or any dye in my hair, so this is my natural color. I don't have usually I'm rocking like a little blonde. I'll insert a picture if I can, but I love my blonde, I miss it. But nothing is in my hair, no chemical, no color, just this is what you get here. So but yeah, I'm loving it. And like I said, the process was really easy, really simple, and I would do this again. This is a limited edition. Usually this hairstyle is called like the pineapple, but no, for Vlogtober we're rocking the pumpkin fro. Yeah, y'all. So I hope you like it. This is Carla just vlogging life, and I am vlogging my hair life with my pumpkin fro for Vlogtober. All right, you guys, I'll see you when I see you. Peace. Thanks for enjoying. Bye.